Hello and welcome to our video on how to make your first million from real estate. Real estate can be an incredibly lucrative investment opportunity, and with the right strategies and knowledge, you can build a successful real estate portfolio that generates significant wealth. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and strategies for making your first million from real estate. Tip number 1. Start with a solid plan before you begin investing in real estate. It's important to have a solid plan in place. This includes setting clear goals, identifying your target market, and determining your investment strategy. For example, will you be buying and holding properties for rental income or flipping properties for quick profits? Having a clear plan will help you stay focused and make better investment decisions. Tip number 2. Build a strong network. Real estate investing is a people business, and having a strong network can be a key factor in your success. This includes building relationships with other investors, real estate agents, property managers, contractors, and other industry professionals. These relationships can provide valuable insights, advice, and opportunities for investment.
Tip number 3. Focus on cash flow when investing in real estate. It's important to focus on cash flow. This means generating consistent rental income from your properties and minimizing your expenses. One strategy for increasing cash flow is to invest in properties that are undervalued or in need of renovation, and then making improvements to increase their value and rental income.
Tip number 4. Leverage financing. Real estate investing often requires significant upfront capital, but leveraging financing can help you maximize your returns. This includes using a combination of equity and debt financing, such as borrowing from banks or private lenders. Just be sure to do your due diligence and ensure that the financing terms are favorable and manageable for your investment strategy. Tip number 5. Stay educated and adaptable. Real estate is a constantly changing industry, and staying educated and adaptable is key to long-term success. This includes staying up to date on market trends, regulations, and best practices, as well as being willing to pivot your investment strategy as needed. Continuing to learn and grow as an investor can help you make smarter investment decisions and build a more successful real estate portfolio. So there you have it. Some tips and strategies for making your first million from real estate. Remember to start with a solid plan, build a strong network, focus on cash flow, leverage financing, and stay educated and adaptable. With the right mindset and approach, real estate can be a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial independence. Thanks for watching.